Hi everyone, it's Monica with American English with Monica. I am so glad you're here. Thank you for studying English with me. We are practicing phrasal verbs, and today's phrasal verb is quite advanced. Yeah, I had a request from one of you for this phrasal verb, mull over. Mull over. Yeah, this is a good one. It's something you might not say, but you might hear someone say it. And then as you advance in your English, you might use it too. Yeah. So we do use this phrasal verb often with the word it in the middle. Mull it over. That's where you will hear it most likely when someone says mull it over. And it means you're thinking about something. You're giving something some careful and serious thought before you give your answer, before you decide, before you can solve a problem, make a decision, think of an answer. We mull it over. That's what it means to think about, to give careful thought to something. Okay, so to think about something like a decision or a fact. Maybe you're trying to think of an answer on a test, and before you write your answer, you mull it over. You don't have to use the word it. It's just usually that's how we say this phrasal verb. But you can say, I mulled over the decision for a few weeks before I decided. Maybe it was a job offer that you had to think about for a while. I mulled over the answer for the essay before I started writing. Okay, so a decision, a fact, or you could have like a solution, like an answer to a puzzle you've been mulling over. Okay, so don't forget with phrasal verbs, they conjugate, and this is a regular verb, mull, mulled. So let me get a new board. Is she going to get the new job? Is she going to accept the offer? Well, she's still mulling it over. He mulled over the decision for 5 days before deciding to switch positions. Okay, so it's regular verb, it conjugates, and you'll usually have the word it. Yeah, this is a good one. But it can be just for a few seconds that you're thinking, or a few days, or a few months, right? If you're thinking about something. So if someone says, what is your favorite color? You might mull it over for a moment before giving your answer. If someone asks, what is the tallest mountain in the world? You might have to think for a minute. What's the tallest mountain in the world? You might have to mull it over. Mount Everest is the correct answer, I think. Yeah, so mull over. I'm really glad you asked. This is a good one. If you have any questions or comments or examples of something that you have mulled over, just type it in the comments. It really helps me see your questions and what you'd like to learn. It helps me become a better teacher for you, for sure. So thank you. Thank you for subscribing and sharing and liking the videos. If you've missed any of the phrasal verbs in the past, just go back and watch them. I try to keep each video under 10 minutes. Almost all of them are short enough where you could study phrasal verbs every week with me. And when we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a live classroom. I'll do a live YouTube lesson so you can ask some questions in real time. It'll be so fun. We're not there yet. We probably 3/4 of the way to 1,000. So keep sharing the video with your colleagues and friends that are English learners. All right. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.